What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can get and export your crypto transaction history from the Revolut app. So let's get started. Now first off, once you open up your Revolut account, right here you will be on your homepage. So to get your crypto transaction history report, you would need to tap in the upper left corner on your profile icon. Then once you're here, just go ahead and select documents and statements right here, the third option, and this will be the next page that will load up. So here you have a lot of different options regarding the bank statements that they can provide to you, but we would need to select the crypto one right here. Next up you have the statements and the reports sections. So the one that we're looking for, which is the one that gives us the transaction history, is the first one, which says account statement, summary of all transaction and activities. So let's go ahead and select that. Then you can select the period. So I have it set on monthly right now, but you can go ahead and tap on that and then just go ahead and tap tax year, for example. This will just select the whole year or the tax year that you want to get your report for. So let's say, for example, 2025, the whole year, and then I will tap on generate, and there we go. Now the document is generated and I can open it with these apps right here. So I will tap on sheets. And here is my transaction history for the year of 2025 on Revolut. Now I can also share this by tapping here and then send myself a copy via email. But essentially guys, that's how you can get your crypto history report from Revolut. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.